5 best food cities in the world. Eating is now a reason to travel, and whether it's a city with a long food history or a more recent culinary hotspot, there's now several food maccas on the planet. These are destinations that offer a variety of flavors for all budgets, sharing their passion for food with globe-trotting travelers searching for great restaurants, markets, and Michelin stars. Here are the world's 5 premier food cities. New York. New York is a city of superlative, and that obviously also applies to its food scene. It has over 10,000 restaurants where you find every kind of cuisine imaginable and for every budget. It's the world's true food mecca, allowing you to go on a gastronomic trip around the world without leaving the city. Tokyo. The Tsukiji fish market alone would be enough to make Tokyo a foodie destination. That's where 5 million pounds of fish is sold every day, mostly to be served as sushi. But this is also a city with the most Michelin stars in the world and with some of the best casual dining. Lyon. You could say that Lyon is where France originally elevated food into an art form, and Chef Paul Bocuse was the pioneer. The city still caters the gourmet of all budget, although it's the hot cuisine that clearly stand out. It focuses on local tradition and produce, and the Beauchamps are among the best spots to enjoy the moved rustic cuisine washed down by the best French wines. Paris. Paris stands for the plethora of fine dining restaurants, but there's nothing better than the Parisian pastries. After enjoying the creativity of some of the world's greatest chefs, the real Paris food experience is giving in the temptation and having the mouth-watering pastries. Bangkok. Flavors and the aromas are the integral part of the Bangkok's life, and even the most picky foreigners end up surrendering to the tempting of street food. That's Thai food at its best and most authentic, and you haven't eaten until you have eaten to the Bangkok street. Spicy, sweet, salty, and sour. You can taste it all in one single meal. And with immigrating adding other flavor to the world, the city has become the most relaxed and one of the best dining destinations in the world.